Hello, magandang gabi sa inyo lahat. Magandang umaga, magandang tanghali. Nandito po ako sa Marina Bay Sands. Hello guys, sana guys. Like, share, comment nyo sa aking vlog guys. Ito, dito ako sa Marina Bay Sands guys. Ayan. Ayan po. Ayan. Tour ko po kayo dito sa Marina Bay Sands. Ayan guys. Okay, doon punta tayo dun sa Merlion. Doon po tayo sa Merlion. Ayan. Tingnan nyo guys, ang ganda dito. Mamasyal po kayo dito sa Singapore. Paggabi maganda ang light. Mamayang alas 8 guys is may fireworks doon partner. Diyan po. Ayan. At ngayon naglalakad kami punta sa Merlion. Yan dito guys. So, at yung kasama ko may sariling mundo. Ayan. Ayan po. Dito kami naglalakad. Dito tayo sa taas. Ayan. Dito naman guys yung restaurant guys. Siguro mamaya may ano dito. May band. May band mamaya. May time sila na may band dito mamaya guys. Ayan. Ayan guys. Maganda dito guys sa Singapore. Ayan. May tugtog din guys. Baka mamaya yung video ko. Kaya ano ko na lang guys. Yan. Dito guys ang ganda. Yan guys. Wala na ulan. Wala na ulan. Wala na ulan. Ayan guys yun. Oh, ayan. Buti na. Stop
Hello
yung.
and welcome to Esplanade Theatre on Bay.
Stop nila.
Esplanade is a charity and not-for-profit
Stop
organization.
nila.
Today's performance is part of our commitment to doing free performances every day. This is made possible by our sponsors, donors, and funders, including DBS Foundation, who are generously supporting all our free performances here at the DBS Foundation Outdoor
Oh,
Theatre.
naiwan na.
You can help us too by making a donation at the donation box just inside the building. Feel free to take photographs and short videos of the performance, but please turn off that flash so that you don't distract our artists and your fellow patrons.
Doon ko ay malapit na kami guys dyan, no? Wala kayo?
Estimate SG and
Wala ka na
Wonderful
yan.
Years. The DBS Foundation Outdoor Theatre is
Dito
a
kami
small free
dadaan.
venue.
Galing kami Marina Bay Sands. Ayun ang Fullerton Hotel.
Thank you and enjoy the
Ayun
show.
ang Fullerton Hotel. Ayun guys. Ganda guys dito. Tingnan nyo yan. Yan is Esplanade. Ito yung Esplanade. Yan yung Esplanade. Esplanade Mall. Maganda dyan sa loob niyan. Esplanade Mall.